Welcome to Learn English Moments. This is day 20 of our daily conversation series. Today, we'll practice a very practical conversation, meeting and introducing a new neighbor. It's something we all experience in real life. If you watch this video until the end, you'll learn natural greetings, polite introductions, and small talk you can use in daily life. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson. Conversation Part 1. First meeting outside the house.
Hi there. I haven't seen you around before. Did you just move in?
Yes, I moved in a few days ago. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to the neighborhood. Which house are you living in?
The one right across from yours, with the blue gate.
Oh, I see. That house has been empty for months. It's nice to finally have someone living there.
Yes, it feels good to settle in. Everyone seems friendly here.
That's true. People usually greet each other, and we sometimes organize small gatherings.
That sounds really nice. I'd love to join one of those gatherings someday.
Of course. By the way, do you live alone or with family?
I live with my younger sister. She's still in university.
That's lovely. I'm sure you'll both enjoy the community here.
Conversation Part 2. Introducing to another neighbor. Actually, let me introduce you to my friend. He's my neighbor too, and he knows almost everyone here.
That would be great, thank you. Hey, come over for a second. I want you to meet someone. Hello. Nice to meet you. This is my new neighbor. He just moved in across the street. Welcome. I've lived here for more than 10 years. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. He's right. He's like the go-to person in the neighborhood. Oh, I see. That's really reassuring. Actually, I was wondering if there are any good grocery stores nearby. Yes, there's a supermarket just 10 minutes away by foot. And every Saturday morning, there's a local market. Oh, a local market. That sounds interesting. Do they sell fresh vegetables there? Yes, and also fruits, snacks, and sometimes handmade items. You should definitely check it out. I will. Thanks for the tip.
Conversation Part 3. Sharing more about themselves. So, what brought you to this neighborhood?
Well, my workplace moved to this side of the city, so it made sense to live closer.
That's smart. Long commutes can be so tiring.
Exactly. Now it only takes me 15 minutes to get to the office.
That's great. What kind of work do you do?
I'm an accountant. I work at a private company.
Interesting. That must require a lot of concentration.
Yes, especially during the busy season. Sometimes I stay up late with reports.
I can imagine. I'm a teacher, so my stress comes from preparing lessons and managing students.
That sounds challenging too, but I think teaching must also be rewarding.
It is, especially when students make progress. By the way, what do you usually do in your free time?
I like cooking and reading novels. What about you?
I enjoy gardening. I have a small garden behind my house. Maybe one day you can come over and see it.
I'd love that. My sister and I want to plant some flowers at our place too.
Great. We can share some tips. Conversation Part 4. Wrapping up and contact exchange. Anyway, I don't want to keep you too long. You must still be unpacking boxes.
Yes, there are still a few left, but it's slowly coming together.
Take your time. Moving is always stressful.
True, but meeting friendly neighbors makes it much easier.
I'm glad to hear that. Let's exchange phone numbers so we can keep in touch.
Sure, here's mine. And I'll save yours too.
Perfect. I'll also add you to our neighborhood group chat. We share updates, safety news, and sometimes fun activities.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much for including me.
No problem. Welcome again, and I'm sure you'll feel at home here soon.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate your warm welcome. See you around.
See ya.
Have a great day.